Now, this is what most small business owners in India don't realize. Right now, somewhere in Hyderabad, an architect is refreshing his inbox for the fifth time today, watching a 3-week proposal thread quietly go cold. Somewhere in Chennai, a physiotherapist is staring at 3 empty slots where patients were supposed to be. Somewhere in Mumbai, a salon owner is dealing with 2 clients who both have a 4 p.m. with the same stylist. Somewhere in Delhi, a coaching academy is trying to reach a paying student who never showed up to his onboarding call. Different cities, different industries, the exact same hidden problem, playing out in thousands of small businesses every single day. It isn't a lack of talent, it isn't a lack of effort, it isn't even the lack of customers. It's a system, a quiet, boring, invisible system most owners never figure out exists. The SMBs that crack it scale faster than anyone else, and the ones who don't keep losing customers they should have kept, money they should have collected, and time they'll never get back. Take these two for example. Meet Aarav and Karan. Aarav is 32 years old and runs a consulting practice in Bangalore. Karan, who is 34, owns a dental clinic in Pune. Both successful on paper, but at the worst weeks of their careers. Now, Aarav had been pitching a Series A founder for 3 straight weeks. The email chain went 23 messages deep, different time zones, EAs, reschedules, and at the end, the founder replied, "Apologies, we have gone with someone else," which was easier to coordinate. 3 weeks of work just gone in minutes. Now, on the other hand, Karan's 11 a.m. patient didn't show up. The reminder never went out. His 11:30 patient walked in to find he had been double booked. 1-star Google review the same evening. Constant back and forth emails, no-shows, calendar conflicts, the 3 silent killers of every SMB. They're not failing because they're bad at their work. They're failing because they don't have a system. And then one weekend, everything quietly changes. Because what they find is Zoho Bookings, an AI-powered scheduling platform handling over 22 million appointments for 32,000 plus businesses worldwide. With a 15-day free trial, no cards needed, plus a free forever plan. And it just got rebuilt from the ground up. The owners running the smoothest operations got there by being better operators. Now, quick thing before the walkthrough: if you run a clinic, salon, consultancy, or any business where customers book your time, hit subscribe, because what's coming next is the exact playbook the top operators are quietly using. Now, here's how Aarav and Karan use Zoho Bookings. They open the admin center and go to integrations, because this is where Zoho Bookings stops being just an app and becomes a whole system. Aarav connects Google Calendar for two-way sync, Zoho Meeting for video calls, Razorpay for payments, and Zoho CRM, so every booking creates a contact. On the other hand, Karan connects Outlook, Razorpay for deposits, and WhatsApp for patient reminders, and begin by Zoho CRM, the lighter CRM for small businesses. Now, to create the service, click the plus icon which has 4 service types: one-on-one for client meetings, group bookings for workshops, collective for panel interviews, resources for room rentals. Now, Aarav creates strategy consultation, 60 minutes, 5,000 rupees online via Zoho Meetings. Karan creates dental consultation for 30 minutes, 500 rupees deposit offline at his clinic. Then, inside the event type settings, they set up availability. This is the specific time window when the particular service can be booked. Aarav opens his strategy consultations to Tuesday and Thursday afternoons only, because that's when he wants to take new business calls. Karan keeps his dental consultations open Monday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., matching his clinic hours. Each service now has its own schedule independent of the rest. Aarav sets up one reminder 24 hours before and another 30 minutes before, and Karan does the same on WhatsApp. Then the booking form. Default fields are name, email, phone, but you can also add custom fields. Like Aarav adds "What's your biggest challenge?" and Karan adds "New patient or returning." Both are now collecting context before the meeting even begins. Over in the workflow section, there are 3 tabs: email, SMS, and custom workflows. Each comes with pre-built templates. Aarav turns on a thank you email 15 minutes after every call. Karan adds an SMS, sending a 7-day post-visit follow-up. He also has a custom workflow that triggers a CRM check-in 2 weeks later. And this is how every meeting now has an automatic before and after. Now they click into the booking pages, which has 3 buttons: open page, share, and themes and layouts. In the top right corner of themes and layouts sits a button called Design with Zia. Aarav clicks it and a pop-up asks for his website URL. He adds his website and clicks on Start Designing. And within seconds, Zia, Zoho's AI, crawls his website and pulls his logo, contact details, colors, button styling, and social links. And a fully designed booking page comes back matching his existing website. Now Karan does the same, and his clinic page comes back warm green and white matching his homepage. They tweak the details and hit save and share the booking link, embed widget, and also share the QR code. Now the system is live, but the next part is what makes Zoho Bookings genuinely different. Because Zoho Bookings now connects directly to AI tools like Claude, Cursor, and Copilot through MCPs. In the admin center under integrations, there's a section called AI and automations. The first card is Zoho MCP. Aarav clicks on setup and is redirected to Zoho MCP console, where he creates a server, add tools like book appointment, fetch appointment, and get availability. Clicks add now and a unique MCP URL is generated. He copies it, opens Claude, goes to settings, connectors, and add custom connector and pastes the URL. That's it. Now Aarav can type into Claude, create a report for this month's appointments. The booking systems now run inside the AI tool they already use every day. Cut to a Tuesday 2 years later, Aarav is on a call with a client who booked herself directly from his website. Payment collected and CRM even updated. Karan walks into his clinic where every chair is full, every patient confirmed via WhatsApp. His receptionist now manages 80 appointments a week without picking up the phone. The difference between them and thousands of other businesses still drowning is one weekend of setup 2 years ago. Now you can also use Zoho Bookings with a 15-day free trial where no cards are needed. Now top operators didn't grow their business by being better at their craft. They grew them by being better at their systems, and the system gap is the entire game. And before you close this tab, hit subscribe, because this channel isn't built for the 99% who will never figure this out. It's built for the operators, the system builders, the owners who in 2 years will look back and realize this weekend changed everything. So see you in the next one.